Hi guys! Good evening! So happy dinner. So I have here my dinner. So I just ordered a one-piece chicken at McDonald's and burger McDo. Yung classic lang po. So before I start, let me use my Colorette lip tint. So this is mini Colorette tint from Colorette. So just shake it first. Matte shade. I really like this because I always look fresh when I always use here. So I already bought two pieces of this. I love this shade. Super pretty niya sa morena. Sa morena and sa mga mestiza. Well, this is good also for cheeks and eyes. If you wanna look fresh then, so let's start eating. I just wanna eat my burger first. So I'm craving for this. So let's check the time. It's already 11 p.m. I'm having dinner at 11 p.m. Click the yellow basket if you want this color tint. I'm really hungry. Mag-isa lang ako sa Bardino's. Wala yung kapitbahay ko na madaldal and wala rin yung cousin ko. Oh my god, look at the chicken. Oh my god. I've been craving for this. Oh, sorry. Let's have a bite. Look! This is so amazing. Chicken skin. Gusto ko sana spicy. Since in-order ko lang sa Food Panda, walang option. Gusto mo ng spicy or what? Sorry for the background noise. I was just using electric fan. So, sobrang laki ng chicken. Bitin yung rice. Pero since nagbabawas ako ng rice na yun, so this is fine. One rice only. Nag-request ako sa driver on sa McDonald's na I told them that I want more ketchup because I really love ketchup. Pero wala. Sobrang matagal din na process yung order ko. Sobrang gutom na ako pero yung order ko wala pa rin. So ngayon lang siya dumating. I waited for 30 minutes. Kayo ba? Ano yung favorite niyo sa McDonald's? Favorite ko sa burger, Ala King, and then McFloat. I don't like the chicken. I don't like the fries. And anything. So I'll finish this, guys. Bye! Thank you for watching.